Well, here's one of the random jobs I get asked to do because I'm a model maker and apparently I can do this sort of thing, or so people say. This little ornament that I was given by an acquaintance, they broke the head off one of the ducks here, and they asked me if I could make a replica and repair this. Sorry about the lighting. So what I've decided to do, the best way to do it, or one of the ways to do it, I thought I'd give it a try, is to make a mould using this blue stuff. Now I've already done one side. I don't know if you can see that, but there's the indentation of the right side of the duck's head from this one. And what I'm going to do is put some modelling clay into this mould and make a replica of this head, which hopefully, in theory, I should be able to transfer and fix to the broken duck. Okay, so that's what you do is you put this blue stuff, which comes in these little blocks, into boiling water, and it has to be boiling water, and it becomes then malleable. I can get out here. I'm making a mess of this. It's hard to film and do this stuff at the same time. And it becomes squidgy. So what you do then is I put it on the side of the duck's head, like this. Sorry, I'm having to do these two things at the same time, like that. And then press it in. And because it's soft, it should conform to the shape you're trying to actually mould. So I'll try and wrap it around this duck's head here. And this is what I did with that first part that I've just shown you. And what happens, as this cools down, as this blue stuff cools down, it hardens, and you get the impression, in theory, that you want to make a mould out of. This is a little bit tricky because the model is so small. So I'm trying to wrap it around the best I could. Sorry, it's hard to film this at the same time while trying to do it. There we go. I think I'm just about there, or the best I'm going to get. I just need a rough impression because I can kind of perfect this when I'm actually got the cast from it. Now I'll be using milliput putty. Right, I've got to hold this in this position until this dries and it hardens in the shape that I want. So what I'll do is I'll use, once this is dry and I get a mould rather like this, is fill this with milliput modelling putty, let that harden overnight, and I should have, if things go right, half of a duck's head. And with this one, I'll have the other half. And then, of course, what I do is put the two halves together to make the model of the duck's head, which I'll then have to join to the broken part of this ornament. These are the kind of jobs that I'm given because, as I say, people seem to think because you do models, this you can do this sort of thing. Can Steve do this? I hear this so often. I've often thought to myself, maybe I should make a little business, ornament mender. I've just got to wait now, so I'll leave it there because this is going to take a while to cool down and set.